I see that. Bonjour mesdames et messieurs. Ok. Bonjour mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir. Vous avez les titres de ce soir. What the fuck I'm saying? I'm just kidding. Okay, hi friends and welcome back to the channel. We are in a new video today. We are in a new hike today, and our food. Okay. And our food today. Here we go. It's really so amazing. Even if I hike through it so much, like I know, like I gotta do something. But we, like, you know, we yeah. After we make the fire, so we made the fire. We gotta we gotta see some amazing, some amazing. Oh, fuck off! Oh my god. Why can I not talk English normal when I'm like doing a video, making or filming or something like that? Fuck up. When I'm like the English in my head when I'm sitting at my bed in my home in my room is not like the English when I'm talking or when I'm filming. Fuck. What the fuck is that? So it's us. Oh. So as I said, we are here. And we gotta like explore some beautiful things here around my food when I'm gonna cook and everything. And by the way, I like these houses, these mini caves. Okay, so they look really so beautiful. So yeah, let's us explore. For me, first of all, we put the onion in the tagine. Oh my god, I'm dying here. Then we put the milk. They call it milk, yeah, the chicken, yeah, milk of chicken. So yeah, to that we put the carrots. They call it carrots. Oh, I don't know what they call it. You know it, and you can see it right now. So yeah, after we put the potatoes, after we put the tomatoes, we gonna actually I just the only one who's doing it like that. I love the the onion and oh my god, I was like I'm not studying English. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, I need to make my vocabulary better. Fuck off. This is the final result. And what they call it is I don't know, but you know it. And I will search for the name and I will put it here on the screen. And there is also something else we need to put it, but I didn't break it with me, cause I didn't find it at home. I will put the name also what do we call it. And yep, and there is so many other things we put in the Moroccan tagine, but I just don't have that things, and my backpack is small. Okay, and I am the only in this forest doing this cooking. So yeah, it looks small. I mean little, but just for me, for one. So yeah. So all we put the tagine on the fire, like just there is no actually the the yellow and red flag. Oh my god, I'm gonna die here really. So yeah, as I said, my English is not English. Oh, and I don't know why. Like I know the words, and it's like now I don't know anything about this fucking stuff. But it's just like I don't know, my mind can't work right now. I don't know why. Fuck up. As like I said, we put the charging on the fire, but not like hard fire like as like the first one. So just like the little woods, they are, I don't know what they call it, but we call it in like in Moroccan درجة. خاصك تحط طاجين فوق العافية وهي كتبربر، خاصك تحطوه هو جمر باش يطيب داك الشيء مليح نقي. You understand me? It's something like in Moroccan درجة, and I cannot translate it in English. I will try when I will making when I will be editing the video, so then I will translate what I said in Moroccan Derija. Yeah, that's it. So we need water, and I'm gonna bring water from the the source. So yeah. So we're gonna bring the water. So I'm here in this tree, I really got tired, and my feet was hurting, so I did you know um, see because it's really so hot in the shoes. So yeah, I got to put it. I need to make my vocabulary better than this, because it's really horrible, something terrifying, really. Anyway, we've got here a spoon. It's really so amazing. We're sliding in it, and yeah, and we are, reading a story. Here is it. Here is it. It's a short story of the Cedar and the Wanderer. I was reading it, still didn't. I just started actually, and yep, and look at this view. It's really so incredible. I did make another fire because I gotta put some wood for the tea, and the tagine is in another place near to that fire, so it's cooking right now. And yeah, this is our view here. It's really a thick view. I love it actually. Yep. Well, I'm sitting here, as like I said, I noticed something in my short story, and it's really so incredible. It's really amazing cuts of this short story. Wait, I will show you right now. Look at this paragraph. Actually, we can say cuts because Idris said that I don't want to become rich or famous. I just want my soul to feel full. I want to sleep tired from hiking, not from thinking. I want to make tea while birds sing and leaves fall. What a beautiful shade. Actually, it's really so amazing. Look, it's the same view of me. That's what all hikers want, That's what all we need in this life. So friends, yeah, we are here. Oh my god. So it's cooked. See? Oh my god. And this is our tea here, like you're seeing. So there's you. I should make the light, So see you in another video, and see you in another head. It's get dark. so I gotta go after 18, and I met a friend here, so we're taking conversations, and after that I'm gonna go back to my home. So see you in another video. Like I said, oh, I'm dying here. So hi friends, welcome back. No, not welcome back actually. What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Anyway, just like that. Yeah, I am in the night. I just back because I met some friend, a friend actually. Who, yeah, it was really so amazing. We take conversations there, and I am now in the road of back in. I don't know how much time I got to back to my town. So actually it's 11, I think 11 p.m. where I'm gonna say right now. Yeah, it's 11. I don't know. Wait. It's actually 11 p.m. I'm not lying or something like that, and it's really so darkness, like you can see here. And yeah, I don't know if you. Really? Oh my god, what I'm doing right now. It's really so darkness, yeah. You cannot say anything because it's dark. Yeah, see you in another video.